Hi everyone! We just landed in Medellin, Colombia, and we're heading now to the condo that we rented. So, we'll see you again. So we're now here on our condo. That's the name, LOFT 43. Yeah. This is the area. So nice. It's so dark. Oh my gosh. Really? That's scary. So now this is our room. It's so nice. What's this? So this is the view. Not sure if you can see anything. And this is the bedroom. There's a small kitchen. Oh, it's cute, lovely. It's this small. So there's a working space here. There's a dining area. Kitchen. Refrigerator. Television. I think it's comfy. There's a glass canvas. And the restroom. Cabinets here. Where's the light? Nice. This restroom. It's small, but it's cute. It is really a loft. Cabinets here. Ooh, there's a... Is there a balcony or no? Oh no. Okay. It's just a small room or a small condo or whatever you call it, but it's really cute. And I like this. The settings, it really, it really is a loft. Nice. This is nice. Oh man, everything is completely clear. It's here. Oh, baby. So, what is this? Oh, I think you can also order food for breakfast and stuff. That's amazing. Maybe they have like a breakfast something that we can order. It's nice. It's cute. So cabinets here. There's a finish look right here. Let's see it up. Cabinets. Oh, they have a safe. Ooh, they have a safe. Perfect. here because mostly some of the condos that we've rented, they can have a socket here. So at least here you can curl your hair or straighten it. So yeah, I think it's a cool loft or room. So if ever you want to rent, I'll post the link on the description so you can find it on Airbnb. What's that? Oh! So this is the view from the bedroom in the daylight. I think it's so nice. And I also love their building, like the way they build it, because you know they use bricks. I don't know, it just looks amazing. So yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye!